What's up, guys? My name is Dane Shazim. I'm an Airbnb superhost with now 15 Airbnb properties. This is one of my new Airbnb properties I just picked up just 3 miles away from downtown Chicago. So very busy area with a lot of, cool restaurants, the downtown area, and a lot more here. But I'm going to show you guys a little bit about the process of me furnishing a brand new space, how I get it listed, how I start getting bookings. But this is the beginning of the journey where right now you guys can see I picked up this nice 4-bed, 3-bath property over 2,400 square feet. And I'm going to show you guys a little bit on the inside of the property before any furniture is done. So let's take you on the inside. So as you guys walk in the main door, we pretty much have, you guys can see right here, we have the living room, pretty massive, you guys can tell right here. It's a huge living room. This wall's probably getting a big 65 or 70 inch TV. And then over here, we could probably fit like a big sofa here, another big sofa right here. And then I'll show you guys around more. Probably right here would go like a dining table. And then of course we got the fully renovated kitchen with like marble flooring, stainless steel appliances. So that's nice. And then we got a bedroom. We got one bedroom downstairs right here, which is pretty decently sized to fit like a twin or maybe a full-size bed. And then a big walk-in closet right there. So that's a little bit about the downstairs, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the upstairs as well. So we'll go ahead and watch that. All right, guys, so we're gonna show you guys the upstairs of the property. This is where there's 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. So let's take a look. So right here, we pretty much have the master bedroom. I'll show you guys around. You guys can see it's pretty massive. It's really big. It can probably fit like 2 queen beds, which we can sleep 4 people that way. And then you pretty much have right here, you have the walk-in closet. You guys can see it's pretty big. You can show them the walk-in closet. And then, yeah, so it's a pretty, you guys can see it's a pretty big master bedroom. It can fit 2 queen beds or a king bed and a sofa bed or something like that. But I'm gonna show you guys around the bathroom, which is probably the best part here. So, right here, we got a nice luxurious bathroom. We got the shower right here, we got the tub right there, and then you got the double vanity right here, so pretty nice. And then I'm gonna show you guys around the other bathroom and the other 2 bedrooms. So we got another full-size bathroom right here, nicely designed. And then we have a pretty good spacious bedroom right here. Easy to fit a queen bed. With a nice closet. And then right here we got another bedroom, pretty small, but it can ideally fit like a queen bed. And you even have this right here, which is nice for lighting. And then right here we got, of course, the washer and dryer. But then the cool part here with the stairs, you guys can see the nice chandelier lights, which is super nice. So that's a little bit about the upstairs. Showed you guys the downstairs, now the upstairs. I'm gonna also show you guys the process of actually like furnishing this place. So either with furniture, you're gonna go about it 2 ways. Either you can buy everything online, Amazon, Wayfair, Walmart, things like that. Or you can also, if you're furnishing a place locally, if you wanna do it cheaply, you go on Facebook Marketplace and you can find, all the stuff. Like you can find the beds, couches, wall art pieces, TVs, a lot of those things for like 50% of the cost that you would pay in person. So for me, in this place, I found a good deal on furniture on Facebook Marketplace. So I'm gonna go ahead and buy those things. And I'm gonna show you guys the process of how I'm hiring people. Instead of me going out and getting all those things, I'm gonna hire someone to bring the movers that are gonna bring all those things, and then they're also gonna build everything. So I'm gonna show you guys that process as well soon. What's up, guys? So I just got finished with furnishing the property on my 4-bed, 3-bath in Chicago, 3 miles away from downtown in the city. Super nice property, super modern. Picked it up a few weeks ago. It took about 10 to 15 days to get it fully furnished, get staging done, get professional pictures. But this is pretty much the outcome of the property. It was not furnished at all, which we're gonna show you. And then this is all the furniture. I'm gonna show you guys the downstairs first. So we got, of course, this little living room area, you could say. And then we come here. We got a nice 65-inch smart TV, huge. And then we got the main living area right here with the sofa bed. It's gonna sleep 1 person. Got nice decor, everything's modern. We got the bathroom right here, full bathroom with a shower. And then we got, of course, the dining table, pretty nice. Got the wall art, and then you guys can check out the kitchen. Fully stocked. So here's the main thing with Airbnb. So you have to fully stock the kitchen. Like show them the inside, right? We got all the stuff that you would have in a normal home. And then, you know, we got everything that people need. Got the cups, glasses, bowls. And then we got, you know, right here, wine glasses, glasses. We got, let's see, we got the knives right here. So pretty much you gotta stock the kitchen with everything that someone needs. Let's see what we got in here. Maybe we got the pots and pans right here. So pretty much everything someone needs, right? And then we got 1 bedroom downstairs. Now this is in a small room, we were able to fit 2 people to sleep, right? We got a twin bed and a twin bed. Just got one of my students here at one of my Airbnb properties. We just set up his price slides for his new unit. When did you launch your new unit?
Yesterday.
Nice. And then how long did that take you to get into your first property?
About 90 days.
Nice.
Right,
how's your experience been working with me so far?
Yeah, it's been good. You know, amazing guy. You know, work hands-on, daily calls each week. He's walking through the whole process of what not to do and what to do, what to look out for.
So you're excited to make money on Airbnb?
Yeah, pretty much. He just runs you through the whole process. Stuff like this I wouldn't, been able to learn on my own.
Yes, sir.
Believe it or not, YouTube can't teach you everything. There's some sort of things you have to pay for. And these are one of the things you have to
Yes, sir. So pretty much just showed you guys the whole house tour. Of course, it's a very beautiful house. We're paying about $3,700 a month in rent. Expected to make anywhere from like $8,000 to $10,000 a month on Airbnb in revenue. Should profit anywhere from about $2,000 to $4,000 a month in most months. So I'm gonna do a little breakdown of how my properties that I showed you guys that were not furnished to getting it fully furnished to getting professional photos to actually making the listing. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit how the listing looks. And I'm also gonna show you guys, today is October 14th. I've had these properties up and listed now for the last about 10 to 15 days. And so far, half of the month, I'm gonna show you guys where I'm at in bookings in terms of like revenue, in terms of how the occupancy is doing, just to give you guys a full transparency of how this business works, how to actually furnish units, how to go about the whole process of hiring people, how to go about making listings, how to hire professional photographers, and then how to actually start getting bookings and actually making money. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit on the inside, on the back end of my Airbnb. So here's a little breakdown of the property that I just fully furnished that I showed you guys. You guys can see we have a nice catchy title. We have a really nice description in place that pretty much outlines everything. And then we have, as you guys can see, really good professional photos. So just taking a look through the listing, you guys can see there's super well lit professional photos on my listing. Remember, photos is what really sells a listing majority. Now let's take a look into the bookings. I'm going to show you guys that as well. So here are the bookings for my 4-bedroom. You guys can see it's October 2024. We got this unit listed on October 3rd. Got a booking right away. This one is for $1,928, 5 nights. We got another booking right here. This was for 2 nights for $773. We got another booking right here. 3 nights for $1,625, and then we have another booking right here in October for 3 nights for $1,645, and then we have one right here in October for 3 nights for $929, and then we have one at the end of October right here for 3 nights of $1,400. So we're booked around 60% already in the month. We still have about 1 whole weekend and another 7 weekdays left to get bookings on this property. So I just ran down a full breakdown of the property. We've had it launched for the last 10 days. Today's only October 14th. We already have about 18 out of 30 days booked in October, with still about 8 to 9 days left, which will probably produce another $1,000 to $2,000 of revenue in bookings. And already just from the bookings that I showed you guys, we have over $8,300 in bookings, with only about 17, 18 days booked so far in October. So that shows you guys the power of Airbnb. We have over $8,000 in bookings. My rent for this month on this property is costing me less than $3,000. So we're gonna profit probably anywhere from about $3,000 to $5,000 of profit from one property. Imagine if you guys learn how to get 2 to 3 properties like this. You can make $6,000 to $10,000 a month. That's replacing a full-time professional income from a job. So the power in the business is super powerful once you actually learn how to correctly get into the right listings, learn how to actually furnish and design a place, once you learn how to actually hire the right teams in place, once you learn how to make professional listings and know how to understand market pricing with dynamic pricing strategies, and just know how to actually operate as a good Airbnb host, the money is there, but it has to be done all professionally. You can't play this game like an amateur. That's the reason the bookings that you guys see is because everything I've done is very professional in the business and in this property. So if you guys want to actually learn how to actually run a proper Airbnb business, I've coached dozens of people. I've helped multiple people hit over 10K a month on Airbnb just in the last 6 months to 1 year of coaching. If that's something you guys are interested in, instead of figuring everything out, there's 2 ways to go about business. You can try to, number 1, figure everything out by yourself and go through trial and error, learn a bunch of things off YouTube videos or off courses, and just try to figure things out on yourself, which is the harder route. Or number 2, you invest into a coach or mentor, someone like me who's already figured out how to run an Airbnb business, already coached other people, and you get into my program that's going to teach you step A through Z on how to find listings, how to furnish, how to automate the business, how to leverage 0% banks money so you don't even have to use your own money to actually build a proper 6-figure Airbnb business. Make sure you click the link in the description, fill out the form, watch a free training that I've put together, and then speak with me and my team and see if this program is a good fit for you. If it's not a good fit for you, I'll let you know. If it is, would love to bring you on board, help you actually learn how to build a 6-figure Airbnb business in your first year of doing this. And we look forward to catching you on the inside.